Let's start by looking at the daily chart, as it provides the broader context for AAPL's recent movements. As we can see, Apple has been trending upwards since the beginning of August, with a series of higher highs and higher lows. This bullish trend is supported by strong volume on the upside, indicating strong buying interest. The price is currently trading near the 20-day moving average, which often acts as a support level, so there's a good chance we could see it rebound from here. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see a bit more short-term volatility. The price is currently consolidating near the $230 level after a recent spike in price. The consolidation could continue for some time, but we should pay close attention to the 15-minute chart for clues about the next move. Now, let's zoom into the 15-minute chart to see what's happening in the short term. Here, we can see that the price has recently bounced off the $228 level. This level represents a potential support zone for the price. If the price can hold above this level, it's likely to continue its upward trajectory. Looking back at the news, we see positive sentiment around AAPL's stock price. Analysts are bullish about Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 release, with expectations for strong AI features. This news has contributed to the recent upward momentum in AAPL's price. It's important to note that any negative news surrounding Apple's product launches or financial performance could potentially impact the price. We can see a correlation between the news and the chart data. The recent spike in price was likely driven by the positive sentiment around the iPhone 16 release. The current consolidation could be attributed to investors awaiting more concrete information about the new phone's release and its potential impact on Apple's earnings. Let's focus on the daily chart again and examine some potential key price levels. The $228 level, as we mentioned before, is a short-term support zone. If the price breaks below this level, we could see it drop towards the $220 level. The $235 level represents a potential resistance level. If the price breaks above this level, it's likely to continue its upward trajectory. However, if the price is unable to break through this level, it could signal a potential reversal. We'll be keeping a close eye on the 20-day moving average, which has acted as a support level in the recent past. It's worth noting that Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 launch is expected to be a key catalyst for AAPL's stock price. The launch is expected to happen on September 9th, so we should see heightened volatility around that date. A successful launch with positive consumer reception could potentially lead to a significant surge in AAPL's price. However, a lackluster launch or negative feedback could potentially result in a decline in price. As we wrap up, it's important to reiterate that AAPL's price is influenced by both news events and technical factors. The upcoming iPhone 16 launch is a major event that could have a significant impact on the stock's price. If the launch is successful, we could see Apple break through the $235 resistance level and continue its upward trend. However, a negative reaction to the launch could potentially result in a decline in price, bringing Apple back towards the $220 level. Keep in mind that this is just an analysis and not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk.